How to withdraw money from Binance bank account. In this tutorial, we're going to see a quick and easy way to transfer money from your Binance to bank account. First thing you have to do here is go to Binance, and if you have your cash here, what you can do is first convert it into Litecoin. Tap on the trade option down below and then tap on convert. Now you can select from BTC to Litecoin, and once you've done that, tap on max and convert your amount. Tap on convert. Then you can use Coinbase to withdraw your money. So go to your Coinbase. Now what you're going to have to do is tap on transfer, select deposit crypto or receive crypto, and select Litecoin. From there you'll get your address. Just copy your address and go back to Binance. Now tap on trade again and then tap on withdraw. Then you can just go ahead and send LTC. So select the network and paste the address here. Enter the amount that you want to send and then tap on withdraw. Then you can just confirm your order. Once you've done that, you can come back to your Coinbase, and then from there you can just tap on buy and sell. Now just go ahead and sell coin and sell the Litecoin to GBP or any other wallet you have. Once you've selected that, tap on review order. Then again tap on this and then tap on sell. Once that is done, just tap on sell now. Once you tap on sell now, you can just go ahead and withdraw cash. Select the amount, select the bank method, and then tap on withdraw cash now, and you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.